We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 370, part 1. TRI-BRIGADE versus some crazy synchro deck. Here we go. That's a crazy field spell. I don't even know what's going on here. I'm just gonna slow it down, pause it. Pause it if you want. Chunk speeder. Effect chunk converter. Jeez. What did he dump there? Stardust Trail. Okay. Hot red. Librarian's just gonna keep drawing every time. I can't effect Veiler him because of this card right here. Magical mid-breaker field. Where was the Joel and Lockbird when you need it? That's ridiculous. How many times did this guy summon? I said I was gonna side in Nibiru, but I never put it in. Fractal. It's gonna Omega. Okay. Kit. Nerval. Add Karis. Activate ZOODIAC Barrage. Yeah, I was about to Zeus him. I was gonna Zeus him and then what the f. Now this is negated. He can activate all these guys' effects now. Oh yeah, I did two. I was gonna go for Bearbrum and Hot Red. The gate. Set the Revolt in my turn. Omega. Oh. I should have saved these effect Veilers for these guys. But I wasted it on Omega. Gate. FA Dawn Dragster with the Veiler. I'm like, okay, I can do my Revolt. I'm gonna do the Revolt, go for the Shureg. I even chain blocked it. Doesn't matter. Hot red, gonna negate Shureg. What the heck? Satellite Warrior. This guy's crazy. There's synchro summon, you can target cards. Your opponent controls up to the number of synchro monsters in the graveyard. Destroy them, and if you do, this card gains 1000 each destroyed cards. What? 1, 2, 3. That's 3000. 55. It's a mega. Hot red. Hot red, the special summon. Already special summon? And then the big guy. Satellite Warrior. Oh! We thought he summoned a lot on part 1. Oh, part 2. So he summoned even more. Told myself Nibiru, and I didn't side in Nibiru. Jesus. I thought I had a chance with this one. You know, Kit, Mirage, Kit, looked up the Nerval. I'll add the Karis since I've already normal summoned. Karis, dump Kit, special. Karis, I'll banish 2 for Bearbrum. I should have did Farrajeet and then Bearbrum. But I was gonna save this, but nah. I don't know why I couldn't go to access code with this. This guy can't be. I should have just activated effect, target any one of these guys to make it unaffected, and then went for an access code. Yeah, I went for Farrajeet so I can have an arrow here when I could do the Bearbrum, but yeah, can't even do it because I don't have 3. I don't have 4 slots. There we go. Now I could do it. I went for Bearbrum. Is that Bearbrum? No, that was Farrajeet. Draw and put back. This field spell I wanted to get rid of. I Shregged it. Talent. I thought it was gonna take my monster. Now he Pot of Greed. Twin Twister, discard Twin Twister to destroy Solid Strike. Synchro Overtake. Chunk Speeder. Doppel Warrior. Yeah. That's crazy. Chunk Speeder. There's a Stardust Synchron. PG Hyper Liberian. Chaos Ruler. TG. Chaos. Look at these guys. Celestial Double Star Shaman. I have no idea what's going on, I'm just trying to say their names. How many times did this guy have to summon? Like, Jesus. I thought he was playing Exodia as well because he kept drawing cards. I even wrote in the chat, Exodia! There he is, Satellite Warrior. did Rugel's effect, special summon Nerval, and then Rugel, they lose 300 for each monster with different types, each type. Is that a once per turn? No? Yeah, this was already game. Oh my god, he almost timed out too. He had 1 second left. 1 second left, and he doesn't have a deck. No. Let's check out the rank. I was at 1517. I'm still at gold. 1503. 189. Still at 189. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.